Hey guys, welcome to another session of this smartphone graphic design. Today we will be seeing how to design a simple POS flyer using Pixellab. Okay, so let's quickly start. After opening your application, you'll just say something or a page like this. And I told us we will be starting everything from scratch, so I'll be deleting this text. And I remember from our previous class or from our previous video, I made mention of the first thing to do is to start with your background. So let me quickly go here and then change the image size or the background size to what 500 by 650. Okay, so this is the size I will be using for this POS flyer. So here it is. And the second step is to what deal with background. So I'll be changing the color to white, entire white color. Okay, so I have my white color. Even from here, I don't need to click on that plus sign. So let me quickly select it. Here is my white color. The next thing I will do is I will click on this place and then click on the shapes. After clicking on the shape, you can see something like this. So instead of me taking it from here, I'll just be using my hand to change the position and direction of it. So you can see using my hand, I enlarge this. Also, let me see, I keep enlarging. Okay, so you can see something button. So let me change this color to blue. So just click on this plus and then take this point of color to this position or this portion, then take the middle one, that is this one, deep into the dark side. So I want it to make a dark blue. Okay, so let's keep moving. Hope you are following. So I think I have gotten what I wanted, so just click on this tick in order to save that progress. Okay, so I can choose to lock this so that it won't be moving. Okay, so the next thing I will do is I'll go to my gallery and import the image I'll be using. So I have this money picture, so I'll be using it. So let me increase the size of this money. Okay, hope you are following. So let me keep it somewhere here. So but remember, I have imported this image bar. So the next thing I will do is I'll scroll to that place where I saw opacity. You can see opacity here. Just click on the opacity and reduce the opacity of that money that you imported. So let me keep the opacity to about, let's say, 25. Okay, so here it is. Now I can also choose to lock this money. Okay, so the next step I'll do is I will then start adding up text. Well, before that, let me just import the other image I'll be using. So click on import again and import it. I've already customized some logos for like this Startimes logos and MTN, Airtel and the rest, pets and the rest. So I will be just sending them to the class so that we will be taking each and every picture and views it. So here it is. Let me reduce the size and use your hand to stretch it. You can see I'm just stretching it. So let me reduce the size and stretch it. Okay, so we can see what we have. So we can also choose to lock it. The reason why I used to lock each and every part of this design is I don't want whereby when I tap something something will just appear. So just you can see now nothing will be appearing when I tap unless I unlock them, so they will be safe here. Okay, so the next thing I will do is I will import my POS, the POS machine I will be using. Okay, so let me go to my POS and select it. Okay, here is my POS. So I will be cropping it. So let me reduce the size of the POS. Let me manually reduce it. So let me click this enable, so that I will remove the enable because I want to edit both the height and the width manually. Okay, so let me take this to be 50 and the height also to be 50, so you can see now it is 50 by 50, both the height and the width of this POS. Okay, so let me place it somewhere here. So the next thing I'll do is I'll start adding my text. So let me start with what? POS. Let me make it capital and then increase the size of this POS to about 300. Okay, 300. Okay, so let me change the color of this POS to white. Let me change the color of this POS to white and go to my fonts and select this post font that is ABC regular. Okay, so I will be making it also bold. So here it is. Let me keep it somewhere here. Okay, so I can duplicate this because I want both the fonts to the next text I will be written to be in this font. Okay, so let me just duplicate it, click on edit and erase it. Let me say available. Okay, let me capitalize it, but you can see the size is too large. I'll be reducing the size, let's say to about 130. Okay, so let me change this available size color to what? To orange. You can see I have already my orange, but for your own case you will click on this plus and just take your hand to the orange portion. Okay, just take it to the orange portion. Okay, and then just select it, so you can see your orange also is now available. So next thing I'll do is I'll click on shape again and add a circle, but instead of me adding the circle, I can use this radius to turn the shape into circle completely. So I have turned it to circle and then also change the color to orange. Okay, so now I'll be taking or reducing the size and taking this orange shape to this portion. Also duplicate it, that is copy it, and take the other one this side. Okay, so here it is. The next thing I would like to do is I will now be adding my services, the service at the POS center. So let me start, click on the new text and edit it. Let's start with what? Withdrawal. Capitalize it also. So let me take care of the size first. Let's take it to 45. Okay, you can see the color is an ash color, so let me take it to white color. Don't worry about that, we will take care of that. So just keep scrolling, click on your fonts and scroll down to this navies. Okay, just click on navies. Okay, then from there you can make it bold also. So but let's go to our text background, enable it. This time around, just look at how I will be dealing with the text background. You can see there are left fading and right fading, top and bottom fading. So the left fading, I will be increasing the left fading to about, let's say 25. Okay, and the right fading should be about 50. Okay, should be about 50, and the top and the bottom, let me keep it about 5. Okay, they are the fadings. So the radius, let me take it to be 15. Okay, all right, and the color of this should be blue. Okay, you can see what you finally make using the text background. So I'll be duplicating it. Instead of adding another text, I'll be copying it and just editing the context. Let me copy it. You can see now I have copied. Then click on edit, delete this, write the second let me say money transfer, the second service, money transfer. Okay, that is how we'll be dealing till we are done with our services. Duplicate it again, click on edit and delete. I write your third one, let's say TB subscription. Okay, sorry, capitalize it Also duplicate, sorry, okay, click on edit, delete it again, and write what? Let's say billing payment. So also duplicate it. So let's say bet or betting payment. Betting payment. Also duplicate it. And I don't even touch airtime and data, so let me write airtime slash data. Okay, so these are like the list of services I have on my POS shop or my POS player. So the next is to just align them. Just make sure you align them properly. Okay. So you can see I have aligned them properly. So I can add just a text. Let me see yours. Let me see your satisfaction made easily. Your satisfaction made easily. Okay, just take it a little bit down here. Let me make the size to be 50, or let me make it to be 45 also. Change the color to white, and this time around we also need to enable the text background, at least make it orange. Okay, so but at the fadings you need to do something about them. So let's increase the left fading and right fading to about 10:10. Okay, so let's come to our boldness and make this text bold. Okay, sorry. So we can see let's go to my font. You can see I don't use complicated font in my work, so you can see what you make from here. So let's write our services. I even forgot, it's supposed to be the first thing. Services, or services we offer, services offer. So let's take it here. It should be, let's see, to 60 because it is the services, so to 70. So let's change the color of the services to black. No, let's take it to orange and make it also bold. Let's see which one should we use. Okay, so you can see you have made a simple POS player using Pixellab. So let me just edit this. I can see they are not aligned. One is much bigger. Okay, so you can save it. You can save your design now. So click on the save, click on save as image. Just click on custom and make it ultra, then that's all.